Tale as old as time, true as it can be, barely even friends, then somebody bends unexpectedly. Hi guys, it is Jay, but you can call me Jadean. I don't care, I'm cool either way. Welcome back to my channel. This is video numero dos in my Disney inspired series. Today we are doing Belle. If you didn't guess that by the intro, then you know, what are you doing? Yeah, so let's get started. I have already gone ahead and done my brows and just like my foundation, so we're gonna get started with the eyes, and I will see you guys in the next clip. We're using the Revolution Allure palette, and I am going in with Suave and just blending that into the top part of my eye. I then take the slightly pinker colour Risky and blend that in underneath just to add a bit more colour to the look. Then going in with Upper Hand from the Transmissive palette and just filling in my lid space with that. Then going back into Allure palette and taking Fever and just patting that onto the lid with a flat eyeshadow brush.
Just a little change, small to say the least, both a little scared, neither one prepared. Beauty in the...
Yeah, I'm just using the Makeup Revolution Awesome Double Lined Liner, and I'm just drawing a thinnish line against both eyes. This is what the liner looks like when I've finished, and then we're just going in with some lash curlers. I don't really need to explain that, guys, too much to you. Then going in with the Nars Climax mascara just to lengthen the lashes a little. I went with a more simpler eye look without lashes because, you know, Belle, she's just from a simple small provincial town. Up with the Miss BabyRoll mascara for a bit more volume, and that is from Maybaline. All the products will be linked in the description box, by the way. Then going in with the Fenty Pro Filtr Concealer in 380, and I'm just going to use that to highlight the parts of my face that the sun naturally hits.
Tale as old as time, true as it can be.
Then using a beauty blender just to blend that all out to make sure there's no lines. We are then going in with the Skin Mineralized MAC powder in Deep Dark and just setting all that highlight. My favourite product, the Fenty MatchStix in Expresso, and we're just using that to contour the face and the nose. And then we're just blending that out with a small defined brush, so that lets me get into the hard angles of the nose. And then I'm just using a slightly fluffier kabuki style brush for the face. With my favourite blush at the moment, Pop My Cherry by Revolution, we're just adding that to the apples of the cheek. To get started on the roses, I'm using a Kiko, I think it was a limited edition Christmas lip liner, to draw out the rose. I'll be honest, guys, I had no idea what I was doing. I kind of just went for it and it turned out great. Okay, so I did go ahead and add 2 more roses, one below and one above, and I'm just going in with those 2 red colours from the Beauty Glazed palette just to blend out some of those lines so they're not as harsh, give a bit more of a flowery look to the roses.
Bitter sweet and strange, finding you can change, learning you were wrong.
Back with the Trends Mischief palette, and we're using that Poison, that beautiful emerald green colour. I'm just going to go ahead and add some binds to the roses, just for a nice finishing touch. Going in with a pink liner from Primark. Honestly guys, I don't know what colour this is because I've had it for so long that it's rubbed off. And then using this 17 lipstick that I got from my friend Kelly, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the lips. Going ahead and using the Rose Gold Sugar Rush 2 palette to highlight my face. You could say I've become a little bit obsessed with these little gems, but I thought that the roses would look a little bit nicer if I added on some on there just for a pop of sparkle. Just, you know, a little bit of bippity boppity boop. And here we have the finished look and me just doing some really awkward posing. So yeah, enjoy that guys.
Just a little change.
And this is the final look guys. We went a little bit simpler on the eyes than last time and did this nice rose detail on the face, you know, just signifying the importance of the petal throughout the film. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. You can turn on my notification bells if you want, because I mean, who doesn't want to be notified when a video from me pops up? As always guys, if you're not subscribed, what the heck are you doing with your life? Thank you for watching and bye.